If you're struggling with your fan kick, I'm going to show you two ways you can learn it. Neither way is right or wrong. One starts in your armpit, the other one is more on your waist. And I'm going to show you both so you can find the one that works best for you. Now, the first way is your traditional fan kick, which is literally taught by a lot of studios. So I'm going to break down that first entry. You're going to stand next to the pole on your tiptoes. You're going to take your inside hip in front of the pole, and you want to feel the pole on the side of your butt cheek here. Then we're going to come into a strong hold position with the arms. You're going to go inside hand, outside hand above, elbows tucked in. Now that lift into your fan kick is super important, so you have to engage your back muscles. So I want you to think about shrugging your shoulders down, chest forward, pull the pole from the ceiling. The legs. The inside leg is what leads the movement. So I want you to take your inside leg, kick it out to the side, away from the pole. From here, you're going to pull the pole from the ceiling. You're going to draw a big circle. And as you do that, you're going to end up in a straddle position. The outside leg is going to follow. This is where you want to then drop your inside leg down. Outside leg's going to follow. And turn your hips towards the pole so you end up on the other side. Now, let's look at the second entry. This time, instead of placing the pole into your armpit, we're going to lower down into our waist. So the entry is the same. All we're going to do is take our upper body backwards so the pole is more in your squishy bit above the hip bone. From here, your back is still doing the same thing. Shrug your shoulders down, chest forward, pull the pole from the ceiling, kick your inside leg away from you, circle the leg around, and come to the other side. You may find that a little bit easier.